Okay, samal tashi tele ani terengi nyendung tela tadanga de deer park la le de ro ani deer park la danga zugi shawa gi dumra do andela tanda ani tapeje pugu gaji retreat la ro pugu gi tanda lojong la ni mendu tende chiki chujo gi tende chik sardo chi sharo ani dela tanda zo di nga zo geshe doje damdul la dosini pesha andela tanda kuransu gi pugula chiki chue gi thongi timajare da pugula chiki rangshingi pette khalor pugula de petsangma ro di dela chiki thadung dile chiki changma da thadung dile chiki pugu gi shepa da rikpa dunzo pa khache gi chedolo ani de konzo retreat chi ko chu sharo andela tanda ani dusnga lei anamazul ngi tungi chi ro anamazul mutun siro che. Okay, tate geshe la pesa.
Shoes, no, no, not here. Shoes on that side. Behind.
Let's go with high.
Shoes, shoes you keep, I will keep it there. Keep it here. Very well.
Good. Design. Design. Can you listen? Okay, Sam, come.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are deeply honored to welcome Geshe Damdul, a distinguished teacher who has dedicated his life to sharing the wisdom of the Buddha.
Geshe studied at the Tibetan children's village in Dharamsala just as I am doing today, and later earned the Geshe degree, the highest qualification equal to a doctorate in Buddhist philosophy.
Geshe has also worked closely with His Holiness the Dalai Lama, serving as His Holiness's official English translator and helping to share his teachings with people around the world.
Currently, Geshe is the director of Tibet House in Delhi, where he teaches students from many countries, bridging ancient wisdom with science and modern life, showing how kindness, compassion, and wisdom can guide us every day. For the children here, Geshe-la's journey reminds us how dedication and love for learning can lead to great wisdom.
And for all the parents gathered here, we are truly blessed to learn from someone who embodies the Nalanda tradition of wisdom and compassion.
This retreat has come to life through Geshe-la's generosity to make a retreat for children and give us these precious teachings. Please join me in offering a warm and heartfelt welcome to Geshe Damdul.
So she said that we should have a retreat for kids. Then I said, why not? Then she said that she's going to bring her two parents, dad, Sasanga, mom, Piyaditin Shundala, and grandfather, Dr. Ashiji, yes, and the grandmother, Indiraji, where is Indiraji? Over there, yes, and then the aunt, Priyangaji, there is Aunt Priyangaji over there. So she said that I'm going to bring all my family members. And then she was talking to the Jishama on phone, communicating, and then communicating with Pumayamjala, communicating, and also that she was writing a book on me. Yes, and she interviewed me. How many years ago? When was that interview? You interviewed me in Tibet House. When was that? 2 years ago, I think. 2 years ago, last year. So, Kadjurula interviewed me for the book. So now the book is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. Yes. Actually, she was thinking of doing it this time, but since it's becoming bigger, so she said that let's make it more popular. Okay, so this is how this the trade kept being, and I'm so happy to meet all the small children. Each one of you young ones, I'm so glad to meet all of you, and also that we are so lucky to have Gentis Vimla. Gentis Vimla, raise hand please. Yes, she's an English resource person for many of all the city schools, and has been extremely great resource person for teaching English for small children to the big ones, to everyone. So Gemma has an incredible great asset, extremely busy, and the initially the okay, so and the if the extras, if the parents can also have prepared extras. Okay, so basically this book is published just for this retreat, and all the boys and girls, make sure that you keep this as a souvenir from the retreat hosted by Guidance Jumla and her parents and her grandparents and her aunt. They hosted this retreat. So this book, keep as a souvenir for each one of you. Keep this with you. It's very precious. And our Jalab, can Ravela hear his hand? He's Ravela. He worked a lot to make this book come out. He worked a lot. So this beautiful book. Beginning, correct motivation. At the end, correct dedication. Okay, let's say this once more. What are the two important things? At the beginning, correct motivation. At the end, correct dedication. Very good. Okay, motivation is what I will do. Oh, today I will not waste my time. Today I will not make my mom unhappy. Today I will not make my dad unhappy. Today I will not make my teachers unhappy. Right? Today I'll make everybody proud of me. I'll do good. This is the correct motivation. Then at the end, what the end? Dedication. Correct dedication. Correct dedication. What is the correct dedication? Okay, today I did something so good. Make this practice compassion. You study well. I did good. The good thing that I did today, make this happen to all the small children in the world. This is the dedication, correct dedication. Okay, anybody who would like to tell me what's the correct dedication? Do is that think of, so here we have Aryananjushri, the Buddha of wisdom. So think of Buddha, think of this Buddha Dalai Lama on your crown, on your head, and imagine that they are blessing us, they are blessing you, with incredibly good intelligence, incredibly good compassion, good intelligence and good compassion. So this just giving body with compassion and wisdom. Compassion and wisdom. Very good. Okay. So why compassion and wisdom is required? This is very important. That will be discussed later. So when you visualize Buddha, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and then you visualize them, and when you said, just request, please bless me with wisdom and compassion. Very good. Wisdom and compassion. So please bless me to have these, so that I can have all the other children in the world You getting it? Not only for yourself, but all the other children and everybody in the world. Okay, with this mind, let's recite this. Just think of that. Okay, can you think? Recite this mantra. So this mantra on page 5. This mantra we'll try to recite by heart tomorrow morning, right? Today, for all the sessions with Gela, Gentibila, and all of us, we'll try to recite this mantra together, and then see if we can recite this tomorrow by heart. Then Shyam, you have the book, page 5. Good. Okay. So, okay. So I will sing this, and you try to look at it and learn with me. Then I'll also explain the meaning, and then we'll do it. Esham chalo nirodha evam vade mahashramanaye swaha Om Ye
Okay, tanga zo tanda digi nanglo la tanda deer park re ro ande la tanda ani pugu ga chi retreat ani de cho de sha ro digi nanglo la namba zo siwe na do cho de pugu gi phamata chamal le da
plant chocolate seeds, mobile seeds, you'll never become good when you become big. You getting it? So if you want to become good, when you become big, what you plant? You should plant good studies. You should plant compassion. You should plant wisdom. You should plant no mobile. Right? One chocolate is fine. Not too many chocolates. You're getting it? And you don't plant anger. Don't plant anger. Plant compassion. Don't plant anger. You're getting it? Okay, so if you want like His Holiness the Dalai Lama, you want to become like His Holiness the Dalai Lama, plant compassion and plant wisdom. And what else? Plant happiness, very good. Plant kindness, very good. Plant wisdom, very good. Don't plant anger, don't plant don't plant jealousy, very good. Don't plant jealousy, don't plant anger, don't plant mobile. Don't plant chocolate. You getting it? All. Don't plant rudeness. Don't plant rudeness. Rude. Don't plant anger. Right? Very good. Good. This is meaning. You're getting it? So from this retreat, we learn something very important. So young boys and girls, we plant compassion, we plant wisdom, we plant kindness, we don't plant rudeness, we don't plant jealousy, we don't plant anger. Okay, good. So this is what we have learned. Now next, we're going to do a meditation. We are going to do meditation, then we'll stop here. Okay, so meditation. So you already know how to do meditation, but I'm going to explain a little bit. Okay, first, let us do one thing. Take a deep breath. Once more. Again. Just don't think of anything. Don't think of chocolate. Don't think of mobiles. Don't think of anything else. Just think of your own breath. Once more. Very Very good. Next, now no sound. First, we did it with sound. Next, without sound, just breathe in. No sound. Again. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next is just count your breath. Just count your breath. Count your breath. Sit. Okay. Sit with your cross-legged and your right hand, Chuyang, right hand on your left hand. Chuyang is expert from Ladakh, right? Chuyang, you expert. Okay. Chuyang, like this, Chuyang. That is mandala, right? Chuyang. That's mandala. Like right hand. Okay, all of us. Right hand on your left hand, with the thumbs joining, forming a triangle. Place the two hands on your lap in a restful state. Don't close your eyes. You get don't close your eyes. Just count your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Cycle 1. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Cycle 2. First, let us try 7 times. 7 times. Okay, ready?
Okay, tanda chosa di nanglo la resha ro ani zo de la tanda retreat pu ga ji retreat rang resha ro an de la tanda ngi gi khar thons la na di gi nanglo la retreat di gi nanglo la tanda ran so pu yo ro pu go pepe tu du inji du kya du ani nepal du ta tu gu chama chi ba ran ro de la tu gu chama gi che du re ro pepe chi bu mar du ro inji nepali kya cha cha chi du ro an de la tanda de do do shim ba resha de Geshe Damdul la gita pugula chigi mangshi gi kom gya dan da ro ani chigi shoge yal shangwa da ani samlo khande do ji tang re ani ma ni du samlo khande tang re ro ani chiki khala gor chigi nang chu ding sabu gyabo den marda chik chama go chue le de gi tanda to sini de she kya de ro hola so ta ta gom gya dang yo ngazo ya chi gom gya du kap sula mangshi tomshi gom gya dang je ro di khande khande re de ta lab de sha ro la so an number so mutun si de ni ma ni du ro ondi
Okay. Yes. You agree? Does meditation relieve anger? This is a good question. The answer is yes. Anger, when you're angry, you are like this, or you are like this. You're like this. So when you sit like this, mind also straight, and your mind is not like this. Anger, the mind is disturbed. With meditation, mind will calm down. So anger relieves meditation relieves us from anger. You're right, yeah. Any more questions? Any more questions? Okay, if not, any question? Okay. Juma, your question? Okay. Shabe Side Pato Kendo Ji Jambe Paru Chiba Kemba Kang Kodo Sambo Ean Deshindo Peda Kunge Jesu Nato Jin Kewa Tita Kamje Rato Tuzum Shege Kewa Kamje Ke Moa Mama Chobo Mabade Aye Yeve Sawa Didu Kyan Sambo Chiche Rato Mobaraki Chanju Senjo Ringo Che Mate Panam Pido Che Kewa Nyamba Mevaya
Gone gondo ewa jo
Mate Panam Pido Che
ewa nyamba mebaya
One Kondo Teva Sho Dalam Nope Keve Tembana Kule Nasu 수진 수매대 삼정님의 주방 원르 조선대배 제니 주주로지 오늘 땅 구자 순빛과 구자 순간이야 주수태와 어디서 Long live His Holiness. Once more, long live His Holiness. All right, once more, long live His Holiness. Thank you.
오케이 단단다 계실라 계시 도질라 단다 데 따라 홀라 단지 단다 단지 아주 갭라 단다 가주난 게 데탄다 갸가다 참미릭 참마 보고 참만다 다 데랑 알아서 배바직보 단다 3번을 로브라치 아니 알아서 배바직보 라야 믹스기 야 데레샤 주주디 데레샤로 단지 아주 파게치다 로다 데레샤 따라 홀나몰라 라소 게실라 페드다 오늘 보고라 빼 죽보 보고라 빼 칼로 고츠보 공기 된다 대신한 게 들어 오케이 다단다데 그런 속이 단다 리트리트 보고지 리트리트데 저도 조심하셔로 아는 같다 조심할 내가 더 텐서 아디 니만이 요라 산이 두라 아니 남아서 되게 좋은 나 되게 추로 안디 항상 야고도 아니 게실라기 단다 지주 감민낭당 지로 보라 배마 팝니로 배고 쳐보 낭도라 라서 아니 나만 내가 지텐서 아마 저거 계속 야야